Friends, second video today. It is Thursday, April the 30th, the last day of April, and Home Depot, a lot of the stuff that they had like 50% off or some weird goofy prices, they went right to 75. And a lot of you probably don't know this, and I actually had to Google this morning because I wasn't even sure about it. You can actually use manufacturer coupons at the Home Depot. So if you are anywhere near your store, driving by after work, or you just, have to run a quick errand after work. I know gas is super expensive, so for me to say, run to the store, it's kind of a big, tall order right now. But if you are on your way past one, it might be worth checking out, or you can either open up the app or go onto the website to see if some of this stuff is up to 75% off. And if you can find up to $50 of Swiffer merchandise, there's a 10 off. Unfortunately, for this clearance stuff, a lot of people are saying it's not coming off automatically, but you can show the cashier this on the app and they hopefully will take it off for you. And then on the app, as stated, you would just type in Swiffer or Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and then see where it says clearance in-store price. You would press that and then it would say your location, the cost, and the amount of units. And don't be shy to look at the sky shelves as well, which is the tippy top shelves, because there might be a lot there. Now, enough rambling. Let's get right into the brass tacks of what I saw. We have this duster kit for $2. The original price was $7.97. Man, they're not giving that thing away. But $2, I did get a couple of those. It's just really nice, especially if you're into spring cleaning. You know the value of that. So I did grab a couple of them. I did not grab up to $50 worth. I know I saw a lot of girls on Instagram getting like 3 carts full of this stuff. But I mean, I just wanted some stuff for my household and a couple friends and, that sort of a thing. But it's this one handle and 5 dusters, and here's the UPC, and it was $2. Also, something to remember, it might be on clearance in my market, but it might not be in yours. If it's not in yours, every Thursday, keep checking on the website from the comforts of your home or through your cell phone if you're at work or whatever. Now, this is where the freebie lands. If you guys got a home mailer earlier this week, I got one. And there's an $8 off one of these Swiffer kits. It's this purple one. It's very specific and it's on clearance for $7.50. The coupon is for $8. So like, how are you going to get that to work? You can't actually scan a coupon at self-checkout at the Home Depot. So there's always somebody floating around. I think they're looking for shoppers who find pennies, to be perfectly honest. But the one lady helped me and she actually modified the coupon from $8 to $7.50 and she did it. And she saw that the value of it, was a little bit more. And I suggested, hey, can you modify this? If not, I'll just go to customer service and they'll take care of this. And then she immediately did it because initially she was like, not too sure. And I'm like, yeah, you could modify it for $7.50. And then she just did it. And then I saw that some couponers who bought $50 of Swiffer clearance, the cashiers had to manually put in that $10 off and they were doing it. So you would just show it through the website, that little 10 off of 50. So if you look 12 o'clock, the one that's purple that has kind of the open packaging, that's the one that's $7.50. There's another one with wood. It's also called a power mop. That's bringing up full prices. This specific one, 12 o'clock for $7.50. If you have that $8 home mailer, you can use it. Coupon, you're going to need a modification and it will be free. And I only got one. I could have went crazy and got 4 or whatever, but nope, I only got one. But I was really delighted to have that. This is also something that's absolutely spectacular. These 6 packs of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $1.50. The original price is just under $6. I would definitely stock up. Initially, I was going to grab some for $1.40 and then a couple of these and some of those. And Magic Eraser is a magic eraser. I want the most bang for my buck, so I went with the 6 counts for $1.50. So I grabbed some for me, and then I have a friend. I grabbed some for her as well, just because it's such a great price point. And the Meyer coupon deals, we sometimes get these sometimes, but a 6-pack, that's nice. I'm really happy with that. And this area where they have all the magic erasers, you're probably going to find it not with the regular cleaning stuff. It's going to be its own aisle where they have all the other like detergents and brooms and that sort of stuff. Just to let you guys know, like this one for $1.40 for 4 of them. I just want the sixers for $1.50. So that's the avenue I went. The biggest bang for my buck. And the ones for $2.40, I just left them all there. We have a $4 for this 20 pack of the Swiffer Wet Jet Wood. Tomorrow, with the $2 digital at the Dollar General, this exact same product is going to be $1.70 if your store has any left. Pretty excited by that Dollar General clearance event. And the final item, they had a lot of these refills for, your Swiffer. This was actually $4, I believe. It was the wrong tag. Get out. Try and make some of this happen. Run, run, run. Go and make it happen. Bye, guys.